Hey, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that's a real game changer for those battling irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. We're going to have an in-depth discussion about 10 foods that you should definitely keep off your plate if you're dealing with IBS. Now, a quick reminder, I'm not a medical professional, but I've done extensive research to bring you all the nitty-gritty details. So, let's jump into this must-know information. Understanding IBS triggers. Before we jump into the list, it's essential to grasp the idea that IBS triggers can differ substantially from person to person. What might send one person running to the bathroom might not have the same effect on someone else. However, these foods we're about to discuss have a reputation for causing problems among people with IBS. The comprehensive list of foods to avoid. Brace yourselves, because we're going through a comprehensive list of 10 foods that are generally advised to be avoided if you're dealing with IBS. 1. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and ice cream can be a serious challenge for many IBS sufferers due to lactose intolerance. You might want to consider switching to lactose-free alternatives to keep your gut happy. 2. High FODMAP foods. High FODMAP foods are like a minefield for folks with IBS. These include fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. They're a type of carbohydrate notorious for triggering IBS symptoms. Think garlic, onions, certain fruits, and even those sneaky artificial sweeteners. 3. Fried and greasy foods. The beloved fried and greasy delights. Sadly, they're often culprits in worsening IBS symptoms. The high fat content can lead to discomfort, bloating, and just an overall not-so-great feeling. 4. Spicy foods. For the spice lovers out there, I've got news: spicy foods might not be your stomach's best friend. They tend to irritate the digestive tract and can easily lead to some fiery IBS flare-ups. So, go easy on the chili. 5. Carbonated drinks. Let's talk bubbles. While carbonated drinks might tickle your taste buds, they also love to trigger gas and bloating, two things that IBS patients would rather avoid. Opt for still beverages like water or soothing herbal teas instead. 6. Artificial sweeteners. Sugar alcohols and artificial sweeteners like sorbitol, mannitol, and xylitol might make your taste buds happy, but they could wreak havoc on your gut if you have IBS. Watch out for these sneaky additives. 7. Caffeine, the energy booster we love and hate. Caffeine. For IBS sufferers, caffeine can act as a gastrointestinal stimulant, potentially making your symptoms worse. If you're a caffeine lover, you might want to consider cutting back. 8. High-fat foods. Fatty foods, especially the ones loaded with saturated fats, can be a real gut buster. They tend to slow down digestion, leading to IBS-related discomfort. Opting for leaner protein sources and being mindful of your fat intake could be a game changer. 9. Raw cruciferous vegetables. Veggies are great, but some like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, when eaten raw, can become troublemakers. They're high in fiber, which can lead to gas and bloating. Steaming or cooking them might make them more stomach-friendly. 10. Alcohol. Last but not least, let's talk about alcohol. While it might be a great way to unwind, it's not always the best choice for your gut. Alcohol can irritate the gastrointestinal lining, leading to discomfort and potentially worsening your IBS symptoms. Consider moderating your alcohol intake if it's a trigger for you. Crafting your personalized IBS diet. The key takeaway here is that no two IBS journeys are the same. To truly understand your triggers, it's a fantastic idea to keep a food diary and track your symptoms. But even better, reach out to a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can help you curate a diet plan that suits your unique needs and preferences. Wrapping it all up, these are the 10 foods that might not have your back if you're dealing with IBS. Remember, it's all about finding what works for your body. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider joining our community for more enlightening discussions. Take care of yourselves, nourish your bodies, and I'll catch you in the next video.